Hello, it's Alex. Time to speed paint, boy. So we're doing Ossiarch Bonereapers today. So first off, you want to prime with grey SEER, and then we can get down to business. So obviously first we want to use contrast skeleton horde because we're painting bone boys. And then you want to put a wash on of non-oil to darken it down a bit. And then we're going to do a dry brush of USHABTI bone, more bone talk, because yes, we're painting bone boys. Then you want to do AKHELIAN green on the robes and the bow, wait for that to dry, and then put a wash of non-oil on top. Then we're going to highlight those with INCUBI darkness and white scar. You want a 50-50 mix. Just pick up the high surface and the corners on the bow. Then we're going to paint the arrows, so the arrow tails, whatever they're called, you use TALASSAR blue. And then for the wood bit, you want to use Scorpion brown, and then for the sharp pointy bit, lead belcher. Now for the nice bit, the armour. So Vallejo violet here, and then after that you want a wash of non-oil on top. And then we're going to go with a highlight of royal purple by Vallejo. As I said, these purples are really nice, they're really bright. And then you're going to do a mix to 70-50 of royal purple and white scar for the final highlight on that purple armour. And then to give this model that last bit of life, to bring out the eyes, you're going to use a technical HEXWRAITH flame. And it just brings it all together, that green on that creamy bone with the blue and purple. I'm quite happy how the scheme turned out, just nice and simple, and hopefully you've enjoyed it. And yeah, so I've got to say thank you to some extra people because they support, so thank you to the Patreons. You can always become one for £1 a month for blogs and all that jazz, links in the description as well. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, you don't have to. Thanks for checking out this speed paint video. Hopefully it was quick and efficient. See you later.